Hey folks, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. Today you join me in front of a 2026 Scout Boats 240 XSF. It's one of our favorite models here at MarineMax, one of the best running boats in its class. This boat is equipped with the midnight package you see that includes the hard top up top in black, as well as the Scout white hull, the classic look from Scout. A couple notable features here on the outside before we step inside. All of these Scout boats, especially with the deeper V style, are going to have this Carolina flare up here on the bow. Leads to a really nice dry ride. Looks great as well. The other notable features are back here on the transom on this boat. It's powered with a 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verado. It's our preferred power package for this boat. In addition to the V8 Verado here, you've got the Seakeeper ride system down below. This makes this boat ride like a total dream. It's an amazing running boat. Really runs like a much bigger boat out on the water. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior features. Climbing aboard this 240 XSF, a couple notable features on the swim platform here. Found the Grigio colored interior, which comes with this sea deck style synthetic teak back here on the swim platform. Lots of rod holders throughout. You'll notice a nice walk-through door here off on the starboard side. Follow me inside the boat here. We've done the Grigio interior like I mentioned, so you got this really nice gray color. Got a flip out seat here at the transom. Really sturdy piece, really robust. Off to the port side corner, got a 15-gallon live well in here. Got our wash down sprayer in there at the moment. This boat's also going to have the factory quick release fenders up and down the side rails. Another notable feature on this boat is the upgraded leaning post that comes with the tackle storage you see in here. We've also optioned this boat with the upgraded Yeti cooler on the slider that you see there. As we come up to the helm, we've got a really nice setup here, especially with this upgraded leaning post. We've got these spring-loaded seats here that automatically rotate up into a nice leaning post and flip down into a seat. You're also going to have good footrest storage here. Again, with this being a midnight package boat, we've got black powder coated rails all throughout. Here at the helm, we've also got the upgraded flooring here. Really nice, comfortable on your feet. Got the Garmin screen off to the port side, all of your electronics controls, and a nice storage compartment here on starboard. Fusion audio on this boat with the upgraded sound system. We've also got the Garmin VHF, digital throttle and shift, and the upgraded black Edson steering wheel on this boat as well. It's a really awesome boat to drive, a really great place to drive from. Got that full integrated windshield here in the hardtop as well, so it really keeps you protected on those rough days out on the water. Follow me around to the port side here. A couple things I want to point out. As you walk up, you've got really nice padding along the side rails here. I'm about 6'3", and I feel very comfortable here, casting off the side, hanging out. Pop-up cleats throughout on the side here, as well as your quick connect fenders, and then you got your fuel fill here on the port side. Got a pretty large head compartment on this boat. Flip on the light down below and you see we've got a vacuum flush head. We've got the bow shade in there right now and you see dedicated storage for your teak table. You've also got your main control panel and access to your batteries under there. Coming further forward here on the port side, we've got the bow filler cushion installed at the moment. In combination with this awesome coffin box style storage, you've got a really great spot to lounge out. When you're not using these items, you can pull all these cushions off, stow them away, turn this into a really nice casting deck up here. In addition to that feature, we've also equipped this boat with the upgraded cup holder rod holders up at the bow that you see there. Nice, gives you a couple extra rod holders. Of course, anchor locker under the hatch here on this 240. Really nice finishing in there, a really great place to keep your anchor. Last but not least, I do want to showcase this coffin box storage here. You've got a really large seating area, as you can see, but the star of the show is the massive storage down here. You've got your table leg for your bow table, great storage spot for cushions, life jackets, things like that. It's a really awesome boat. We're excited to have this in stock here at MarineMax Lake Norman. It's very well equipped. We'd love to show it to you. Stop by, check us out at marinemax.com, or give us a call today. We'd be happy to show you. Thanks for watching.